the fuckery. From your distance and you are got dead. Them find your body without the hand, without your head. General like your dust, rascal to Chamilla. Me say me I got dead with my finger on the trigger.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Uncut, powered by Line TV. Nesta Morrison, aka Bigga, one of Jamaica's most wanted man who have been on the run for more than 2 years, was cut down in Clarendon by members of the security force. Right as me there and I record this video, a reporter from Nationwide News narrowly escaped death as he was attacked by gunmen. Jaja, when you see the reporters them start get attacked, they don't know say this crime, this violence thing in a Jamaica, it get serious. We're also seeing where the man who has been a suspect in the murder of Sean Pattison, a British National Police, capture him. Yeah man, and them not only capture him, but them also are looking to 4 more murders where them say it's highly possible say this man has been involved in. We have all of that and much more to talk about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far, so please give the video a like, no man. We'll get straight into it. Up first, a Nationwide News reporter was attacked and narrowly escaped death while on his way to work. Based on what he must say, he must drive go work, somebody fan him down, pretended to be a beggar, and then ask him to bring them son go hospital. Him decides to him not take no check, so him speed off. When him speed off in panic, the man them shoot up him vehicle. Yeah man, shoot up him vehicle. Literally, you understand what me I say? Him never get no major injuries. Him just say him just get some little scrape and scratches because you don't know the glass broke and them little thing there. But the bigger picture is that whenever you see people start to attack journalists, start to attack news reporters, you know the crime, the violence, it depend on a different level. And when I say different level, I mean serious level. A whole heap of time, we see NBC, we see BBC, we see ABC, all of them news team, they all over the world in the art of wars and them little thing there. Do them little reporting. Yes, some of them ending up dead, but it's not a case where people deliberately attack them. Sometimes they put themselves in the war zone, so you don't know whatever go on at the war ending up reach them. But it's not a case where people deliberately attack them. So if people, news reporter got them place there where people are dead by the dozens, the thousands, and now get attacked. In a Jamaica, we see them get attacked. You know say that not normal. And this is not the first time in recent days or months, we see where a news reporter get attacked, Remember, so we see that we're going over home said what there, I think it was a CVM TV reporter where them backs him up wicked. You see me? And run him where him did a cover one story, I think, at the primary school. Shortly after that though, the person where allegedly do the beating, him get cut down. You understand what I say? But regardless of that, it is not a good sign when I see the reporters them start get attacked. The gangster them are send a serious message, stay out. So enough of them report here, them are gonna be skeptic for forward in a certain place and do report. Them also are gonna be skeptic for even go on national TV and call out certain people name. Jaja, yo, this not look good. We're not going to spend the whole time on that still, so we are going to move on. Nesta Morrison, aka Bigga, one of Jamaica's most wanted man, have been cut down by the police in a place named Longsville Park in a Clarendon. Now this is big news, not just for the police, but the people them what the police them say, yo, this man terrorized, especially sections of St. Thomas and other places in Jamaica. Them have him as a notorious gang leader, a man who wanted in connection for almost every single thing that is bad. The police them report, I think a few months ago or something like that, say them are closing upon him hideout and them urge him to turn himself in. But that is how it is. When you have a seasoned gunman, them man they decide say, yo, them are go dead with the finger upon the trigger. Them now turn themselves in. Them now go to jail. All if them have to live in the bush like Pricky boy, them no care, and that's what them thing there. And Nesta bigger crime, show police and Jamaica say, yo, that is the life is about him not turn himself in. Now as I say, the police them proud of this, them glad say yo them take him off the street regardless of how them take him off the street. But tell me down below in the comment section what you think about this killing, cause you don't know in the come, definitely I got investigate it. And speaking of police and security forces, what do we see a news forward out and them say yo 4 police officers have been arrested in connection to taking away things from a female where them not supposed to take. You understand? And then take more than one things. Now we see which part them say one of the 4 police officers have been charged. Yeah man, quite a few charged upon him. Based on what the lady say, the police them fan her down and make she know say yo, you know say you commit that offense you do, and we need that amount of money. She now never have that the amount. Them still bring her to a ATM machine and she decides say yo, she not go withdraw the amount of money. I think them say it was $50,000. So what the police them do, them bring her to a convenience store, them go in at the store, use her card, buy some things. Meanwhile, one of them drag her around at the back. Yo, Jaja. You don't know me attack. I don't really want to use certain word. You don't know how YouTube say. But yes, one of the 4 police officers have been charged in connection to this crime. So we are going to watch and see how this turn out. Back over in Clarendon, we are seeing where the police them a make the world know say them arrest and charge a man in connection to the murder of British national Sean Pattison. I don't know if you remember, I think it was about a month ago, Sean Pattison forward at Jamaica for the first time. Obviously, we could have say, yo, Sean is no saint. In forward at Jamaica for the first time, and he was killed at a guest house. Police now them arrest a man in Clarendon in connection to this killing. Now the police them say yo, the person with them arrest, he has been charged because him issue a caution statement. Anytime you hear police them put out a report and say yo, a man issue a caution statement, you know say it's basically tell them say the man confess, or if him don't confess, him tell them who committed or how it was committed. So them say him issue a caution statement. But outside of him issuing a caution statement, bigger than all of this, we see where the police them a say this same man them a investigate him into 4 other murders where them have a I believe said this man partake in a them. This man sound like a hitman to me. Yeah man, this sound like is a man with take contract and go do works. If in such a short space of time, the police them can look into 4 other murders and say, yo, the man is sound like him involved in them, you know. So right there, so basically 5 murders. Who knows how much more murders out there with this man involved in? We are going to watch, wait, and see how this turn out. The last thing we are going to touch on, a 61-year-old taxi operator from Ochirias was killed and his car stolen. Based on information, the man them board his Proback taxi pretending to be passengers. At some point along the way, them a try rob him off his car. Him put up a resistance, so them can him up, push him out of the car, and move with him Probacks. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please may I ask you, keep this video a like. If you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe now. And if you feel like said this video is not the video for your subscribe offer, just browse the channel, check out the 200 and add content so me off on the channel until you find the one that will really sparks your interest and I say yes, I go subscribe. Bless up.